Here we go, 2012 Volkswagen Jetta TDI. My sister-in-law just picked it up. Not in bad shape. The worst is the hail damage. I'm sure you can see some of it, which of course I won't be able to do anything about. The paint's got a slight silver tint to it from the oxidation swirls. Overall, not bad. The place she got the car did a respectable job of cleaning it up. But I'm going to take it to the next level. All I have planned is basically a deep wash, a one-step with gold standard polish, yellow pad, 15mm DA, treat the glass, and ceramic gloss. Should only take a couple hours, but like all my other cars, I'm in absolutely no hurry. The grille itself looks like it was painted at one point, but that's all peeling off. Not a whole lot I can do about that. You can see down there. Lower grille, not in bad shape. Overall, other than the hail damage, not bad for a 2012 13-year-old car. Over 100,000. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, not sure if you can see this or not. I just did this section of the hood, 4 passes, 25mm DA, gold standard pad, gold standard polish, speed 3. If I move up here, you can see the very edge of the polish line, and there you can see the silver still. Here it's removed, the paint's deeper. Up there you still got the silver tint from the oxidation and everything else. Well, here we are, all done. I ended up using a Urofiber 50/50 pad with 25-inch DA and the gold standard polish. This has got some pretty hard paint on it. Scratches and the stuff that I could deal with weren't coming out that easily. So I switched up to the Urofiber. Did really well. Came out, pretty good. Being 12 years old, it's got a lot of love marks, some deeper scratches, some things that I just wasn't going to consider going after. Not worth it. As you can see in the sun, even the trunk lid looks pretty good, which was one of the worst areas. Tires are all dressed. Windows treated with Rain-X. I have yet to let my sister-in-law see the finished product. I sent her the teaser picture of the B-pillars last night, or early this morning actually. Even on the hood, there's still some shiny scratches in there, but most people won't see them. Turned out pretty well. It took me more than a few hours, but it's relaxation for me, and I just kind of zen out. Until the next one.